You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this style or genre of music. If you want to learn more music vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. If you want to pronounce the full form, it's rhythm and blues. That's what it means. That's the meaning, rhythm and blues. That's what it stands for. Generally, it's simply referred to as R&B. R&B. R&B for rhythm and blues. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.